Hello there. Today, actually, this is not a storybook, so I won't be reading any parts of it or the whole thing. This is a book about maps. It is called All About Maps. Think of that. Amazing activity book. Fun facts, mazes, games, and brain teasers. On the back, it tells us discovering the world through geography. All About Maps' amazing activity book teaches children how to read maps, draw their own world using cartography, and with the help and guidance of two young apprentices, Gea and Tom. Kids will discover how to make and use navigational tools like compasses, how to explore spatial coordinates. And by the end of this book, they'll be able to understand and draw their own plans and maps. Ooh. There are engaging educational games and activities that become more challenging as the book progresses. Okay. Colorful stickers. Let's slow down a little bit, Janie. Colorful stickers and cutout materials with detailed instructions for making navigational tools that really work. Interesting historical facts about cartography, the science of making maps. Okay, let's look into the pages and I'll share some of what's in the book. Oh, at the top here, top here, it says over 120 map stickers. Okay. Okay. Looks like you can join a club, get membership cards. So that's cool. Geography and its tools. Looks like this might be a little quiz. Geography is a science that studies, describes, and detects Earth landscapes. And in order to do this, it uses many tools. Oh, they want us to, looks like guess. Gia wants us to guess what some of her favorite tools are. And it looks like by our guess, we're going to create a word down here. Some of the choices she gives us would be a map, an armchair, a computer, a candle, binoculars, a camera, suitcase, sunglasses, compass, charts, hats, and drones. Okay. Oh, we have the answer on this page. And then it looks like another. It says, Tom looks very busy. What is he doing? You can find out by first writing the words next to the pictures and then writing the letters with the number underneath them into the boxes. Ah, so you write out, let's see, write out the word. Don't do so well. So you write out the word. You can't probably see. Yeah, there's little numbers underneath one letter of each word that you write out. And then you put them into the box, and that gives us another hint of what he's drawing. Have you ever seen any of these maps? That's the question on the page. Types of maps. think those little boxes are for the stickers, so probably some of the 120 stickers that are included. More maps because it's a map book. The world map, Earth at a glance. Let's kind of skip some of the pages. I'm gonna keep skipping because then I'll wind up reading every or looking at every single page. But no, we're not gonna do that. Let's make a real compass. That should be fun. Just follow the directions. And you might need mom and dad's help too for some of the supplies. How to use a map grid. So they are really getting into all of this about maps. Scavenger hunt. Okay. Have you ever went on a scavenger hunt? Did you like it? Oh, let's scale down. Okay, so we have pages on scales for the map. Talk about natural and artificial features and the matter of colors. And floor design. So I guess it is advancing as we move along. Oh, here are those stickers. Cool. Several pages of stickers to go into your lessons on how to, I'm going to call them lessons, on how to build a map, how to read a map, how to create your own map. Oh, they have a memory game too, because I see on page 51 it says memory game. Okay. How good's your memory? Well, all about maps. Amazing activity book. If you're into maps or think you have just maybe a little inkling of it, talk to mom and dad. Great book to get. We sell it. Jeannie Cole Discovery Toys. Thanks for dropping by. See you again. Bye-bye.